Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best wideband gauges in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wideband gauges. Starting at number 5, we have the Autometer Ultra-Lite Digital Wideband Gauge. Don't want to weigh yourself down with a large or heavy wideband gauge? The Autometer Ultra-Lite Digital Wideband Gauge is a great choice, as it's built to be compact and unnoticeable unless you're taking real-time readings. The kit includes everything you'll need for fast installation, including an 8-foot wiring harness, stainless steel weld-in bung, and mounting hardware. The device provides an output of 0 to 4 volts, which can be easily connected to data loggers, engine management systems, or laptops running tuning software. This great versatility makes for simple and accurate tuning. The gauge is customizable, too. Users can program their own specifications for lean, rich, and stoic air, fuel ratios, and receive a visual alert when the reading enters each range. Thanks to a bright LED display, featuring both numerical data and a sliding gauge, it's easy to work out a vehicle's AFR. The one drawback is that the LED display can burn out over time, which can make seeing your readings a challenge, and it may even lead to inaccuracies. Moving on at number 4, we have the GlowShift Elite Wideband Gauge. If you're looking for a wideband gauge that's as versatile as it is affordable, the GlowShift Elite Wideband Gauge is a great kit, and it's one that offers 10 different colors to choose from. As the only option on our list to feature a fully analog display, it offers a vintage flair that's especially at home in classic vehicles. This display can be customized in colors ranging from subdued blue to bright purple. Thanks to a handy dimmer wire, the gauge's brightness can be adjusted to prevent distraction in darker conditions. The display itself reads from 10.0 to 20.0 AFR, providing the wide output range you need for accurate tuning and monitoring. The kit also features a second analog output, perfect for data loggers and EQs. When the AFR reaches a pre-programmed high or low point, set by you, the gauge will emit an audio-visual warning to let you know. Each gauge comes with mounting hardware, and easy-to-follow installation instructions, plus a 1-year limited warranty. Overall, it's a solid gauge, but it may not be the most accurate. The accuracy can vary, and you may find it to change over time. At number 3, we have the Innovate Motorsports Wideband Gauge. The impressive Innovate Motorsports Wideband Gauge is a fantastic product for those who want to get info ASAP. It's speedy and efficient, and the gauge not only displays the engine's air-fuel ratio, but it can also provide feedback on the vehicle's O2 sensors. Featuring a super-fast analog output speed, the gauge ensures that you'll clearly see any changes to air-fuel ratio live, feeding this data through the EQ engine control unit. Thanks to Bosch LSU technology, these readings are highly accurate. The gauge is specially designed for high-performance applications and forced inductions too, making it a great option for racing vehicles. Thanks to the gauge's 52 mm diameter, it's easy to swap faceplates and bezels for a fully customized appearance. And you'll really like the bright LED display, which makes the air-fuel ratio easy to read at a glance for safe on-the-go monitoring. The biggest drawback to this speedy wideband gauge is its longevity. When it works wonderfully, but it tends to burn out and fail within months. If you aren't looking for a long-term product, it'll serve you well for the short term. At number 2, we have the AEM X Series Wideband Gauge. The best feature of the AEM X Series Wideband Gauge? It's the display and the striking modern faceplate. The 7-segment center display makes it easy to read on the go, while X digital technology allows the device to measure a wide array of outputs that other sensors can't. For ease of use, its display is actually 87% larger than other options on the market, allowing drivers and navigators to glean an accurate reading as quickly as possible. The gauge includes a 0 to 5 volts output port, for accurate data logging whatever device or engine management system is used. Thanks to its impressive response time, the gauge offers drivers a safe, powerful, and accurate tune. Users reported that the device warmed up much faster than many options on the market. Keep in mind that if you do happen to have any issues with the sensor on the device, you won't be able to get it replaced since it isn't covered under the manufacturer's warranty. And finally at number 1, we have the AEM UEGO Air Fuel Wideband Gauge kicking off our list as this AEM wideband gauge. Featuring an easy-to-read LED display and color-changing needle, the handy device makes it easy to keep track of the changes from rich to lean in your car's engine. Thanks to its 52mm housing, the versatile gauge will fit into the majority of gauge pods. The display itself can be remotely mounted almost anywhere in the vehicle, helping drivers or navigators to keep an eye on fuel ratios. Every AEM gauge features a 0 to 5 volts analog output, compatible with data loggers and practically any engine management system. In use, it's highly responsive and accurate, thanks to a Bosch UEGO sensor housed inside. The gauge also features interchangeable faceplates and bezels, making it simple to achieve the ideal look for your car. To help you get started, the device comes with everything you'll need for a hassle-free installation, including a weld-in bung. Unfortunately, there is one potential problem with this wideband gauge kit. Some users say it arrives dead, meaning it immediately has to be replaced. Make sure to check yours as soon as it arrives so you'll be able to get it swapped out for one that works.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.